Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, today I will take the revision for Unit 9, that is our basic needs. Our basic needs are air, water, clothes, shelter. These are our basic needs. Air is all around us, but we cannot see the air. We can feel it, the air. In the summer we can feel the hot air. In the winter we can feel the cool air. Hello children. To move the vehicles on the road, wheels need the air in the tire. In the vehicle tires need the air to move on the road only. Yes or no? To fly the kite, to fly the bird high, to move the aeroplane, to move the windmill, that to move the boat in the water. For this all here air need. You are playing the football and volleyball. Inside what is that? Air only. And the children, to blow the balloon, we need the air. Hot air balloon also need the air only. So to become the clothes dry, need the air only. To blow the whistle, we need the air. And the children, so air is made up of different gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and the other gases also. What we breathe, it is the air on oxygen. We breathe the oxygen. So air is very important to survive on the earth. Yes children? So oxygen is most important air. It helps us, animals, birds, human beings and plants to live on earth. Clear children? So we breathe when you are playing outside, when you are run or you are playing anything. Then what will happen? Your breath go very fast. You will breathe very fast. Yes or no? After running you breathe very fast. You are not breathing very slowly. So air is made up of many gases. Air do not have any color. Air is most important and it helps us to breathe. Clear children? So which air we will breathe? Which gas we will breathe? Yes, oxygen. We breathe the oxygen. So water is also very important for all the living creatures to survive on this earth. To live on the earth, water is also very important children. So rain is the main source of water, and lake, pond, stream, waterfalls, these are the natural source of water. There is a man-made source also like a well, tube well. These are the man-made source. Water is very important for animals, birds, human beings, plants, trees, and for agriculture also. We get the rain, we get the water from the rain. So how it's formed? When the sun rises, water evaporates and it's take a form of clouds. So clouds contain the tiny drops of water. When the clouds becomes heavy, we will get the rain. Again when the sun rises, again the river, lake, sea, pond, water is evaporating, it makes a clouds. So this process is keep on going in the nature, and that is called the water cycle. Okay children? So next we have our basic needs is cloth. Cloth is very important to cover our body, to protect us from the insect, to protect us from the heat, cold and winter. Yeah, children? So these are some important basic needs. Clear? Now what are the exercises I have given in these lessons? Let me recall all those things one more time. Clear children? So revision. Okay children, the first we see the true and false. So first name is true or false. First one, we cannot live without water. We cannot live without water. Next one, we breathe more slowly after exercising. We breathe more slowly after. We breathe more slowly after exercising. Air is made up of many gases. Air is made up, okay children, made up of many gases. Air is blue. Air is blue. So these are the some true and false children. You have to copy down in your EVS notebook. So what is that first? We cannot live without water. It is true, no? We cannot live without water only. It is true. We breathe more slowly after exercising. No, our breath go very fast. That means fast. Air is made up of many gases. Yes. It is made up of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases. Air is blue color. Air have any color? No. Air don't have any color. Okay children? Now fill in the blanks. Main question number second. Fill in the blanks. We find salt water in. We find salt water in dash and dash. Dash and dash. Second one. We find fresh water in. We find fresh water in dash and dash. Now tell me children answer. We find salt water where it is ocean and sea. We find fresh water. Where we find fresh water children? Yes. River and lakes. Rivers and lakes. Next one. Now make question number third children. I will write this side. Don't do the spelling mistake. Write correctly children. Third one, answer the following. Answer the following. First question, what kind of clothes should we wear in summer? What kind of clothes should we wear in summer? Now tell me children, which type of clothes you will wear in summer? Summer is hot season. Yeah, the children. So which type of clothes you will wear? Tell me. Yes, tell me. Yes, you will wear the light cotton cloths. Cotton cloth keeps our body cool. We should wear a answer. We should wear a light cotton cloths in summer. Light cotton cloths in summer. Next one. Why do we wear a raincoat? After writing one answer, leave the line and write the next question. Why do we wear a raincoat when it's rain? A raincoat when it's rain. Why do we wear a raincoat when it rains, children? Why do we wear the raincoat, children? Tell me, if it is heavy rainfall outside. Yes, to protect, to keep your body dry from the rain, you will wear the raincoat. You will use the umbrella. You will wear the jerkin. Yes or no? Yes. So answer. Because raincoat keep our body dry. Because raincoat keep our body dry. Next one. Why do we need clothes? Why do we need clothes? Why do we need clothes, children? Why do we need clothes? Yes. First one is good. Clothes cover our body. Clothes cover our body. Then next, it protects us from heat. It protects us from rain, cold and hot sun. Hot sun, cold and rain. Third one, it protects us us from insects. Last one, it helps us look smart. It helps us look smart. Okay, children? So don't do the spelling mistake. Write correctly, children. Next one. Mention 4 uses of water. Fourth one. Mention 4 uses of water. Answer. Tell me the 4 uses of water, children. Yes, for cooking, drinking, washing and cleaning. For cooking, washing, then drinking, and cleaning. Next one. Name the 4 sources of water. Name 4 natural sources of water. 4 sources of water. Now tell me, children, 4 sources of water. Answer. What is that 4 sources of water? Yes, stream, then yes, lakes, ponds, and finally rivers. Name 2 things other than salt and sugar that dissolve in water. Last question. Name 2 things other than salt and sugar that dissolve in water. Which are the 2 things, children? Tell me. Yes. What is that? Baking soda and honey. And honey. So these are the question answers, children. I have given. Yes. Now last one. Match the following. What is the last here? Last is, I will write here, children. Next. Match the following. A and B. What is that first here? First is wool. Next is cotton. Third is silk. And the last one is polyester. Last one is polyester. Okay, children? Here, sheep, oil, sheep, then cotton plant, and the last one is silk. So now we'll match these all the things. Okay, children? Wool. How we will get the wool? You will get a sweater in winter season. Yes, it gets from the sheep. Cotton. Cotton will get from cotton plant. Silk. Silkworm. Polyester with oil. Children, this is the homework also for you. It is the homework. You have to write one time. In the new notebook you should write. Homework is one time. So here children, I have completed the revision for our basic needs also. Now here, what is your duty? You have to complete these all the notes. These all the things you have to write in the EBS notebook. That is not old, new notebook. Already you have done the 2 unit. Now this is the 3rd unit I am giving the revision. Clear children? So everything, whatever I have given in this video, filling the blanks, ticking the correct answer, and then question answer, match the following. Everything you have to copy down in your EBS notebook. Without doing any spelling mistakes, you have to write these all the things. Write very neatly and clean. Use the eraser. If it is any mistake, use the eraser. Clear children? So this revision video I am not going to send in the Sai Niketan app children. You have to copy down this all the revision in your EBS notebook. Clear children? So next video I will take the one more revision. Now till here only I will stop. You have to copy down this all the things, write one time in the EBS notebook. Thank you children.